Today we are going to start our next topic on scale. So take out your book Spring Semester 1 Class 5 ABC on page number 227. So before that I want to tell you about previously what we have read in directions. In directions, here you can see in a circle one question is there, quick check. So a map we show the population distribution of India is political map, thematic map and physical map. Already I have explained you in the chapter, so you have to find out, take the help of the net website. Afterwards I will give you the answer of this question. So this is your homework, your assignment of today. So now we are coming to our topic. Our topic is scale. Yes, I am going to explain you about the scale. First of all, I am reading. You have to read after me. Okay? You have to read after me. So I am going to start it. Yes. Scale. The scale is used to represent the ratio between the size of the map, size of the map and the area shown. The ratio is represented by units of measurement such as centimeters or inch, to a meter or kilometer. Okay? And the type of scales, the scale of a map can be expressed in different ways. So first of all, the way of the type of scale is a statement. Sometimes the scale is given as a statement in the form of 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer or 1 centimeter to 10 kilometer. So it means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 5 kilometer or 10 kilometer on the ground. So students, first of all, the scale is used to represent the ratio between the size of the map and the area which is shown on the map. So it is telling about representing the ratio between them. So ratio is represented by the ratio which we are representing on the map. That ratio is represented by units of measurement such as centimeter. Okay, in maths you have read about the units of measurement, centimeter, inch or meter or a kilometer. In any of these we can represent the ratio. So then the type of the scale is explained in different ways. So first of all we have read that about the statement. So I am going to show you a scale. This scale is okay in the so yes, here is the scale. This scale is representing till 1 centimeter from starting from 0, from that to it is finishing on 10 kilometer. Okay, on the ground. So this is a picture of the scale. So now we are coming to next point, our ground. Okay. So this graphical scale or linear scale also called a bar scale. You have maybe you have done in the maths bar scale, bar graph have you done? Same like that, bar scale and scale bar and graphic scale and graphical scale, it is same. It means this graphical or picture is given here of graphical or linear scale. Okay, so this linear scale is also called a bar scale. And it means visually showing the scale of a map. ये लाइनर एंड ग्राफिकल दोनों सेम होते हैं एंड दीज आर यूजिंग इन इंजीनियरिंग. जो इंजीनियर्स होते हैं वो अपनी ड्राइंग्स में दे आर यूजिंग दिस इन आर्किटेक्चुअल ड्राइंग्स, लाइक द बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन में जो बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं उसके लिए भी इसका यूज़ किया जाता है, आर्किटेक्चुरल ड्राइंग के लिए. स्केल बार इज कॉमन एलिमेंट ऑफ मैप लेआउट्स. ओके, ये जो स्केल बार होता है ये इसका एक कॉमन एलिमेंट है मैप के लेआउट के लिए. सो द लेंथ ऑफ द लाइन ऑन द लाइनर स्केल इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस. जो लेंथ होती है लेंथ ऑन द ऑफ द लाइन ऑन द लाइनर स्केल जो होती है, इसकी लेंथ यू कैन सी हियर, इसकी लेंथ जो देख रहे हो आप, ये है यूज ये जो होता है इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑन द अर्थ. अर्थ पे जो डिस्टेंस बताया गया है उसको इक्वल टू, उसके बराबर होता है जो डिस्टेंस होता है रिप्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ. इसको मल्टीपल कर बाय द मैप और चार्ट स्केल. ओके, This linear scale is divided into equally segments में divide होता है, बट जो नॉन लाइनर स्केल होता है वो अनइक्वल होता है, उसमें स्पेस सेगमेंट्स नहीं होते हैं. लाइनर स्केल में इक्वल स्पेस सेगमेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि आप इस डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं. वन मोर डायग्राम आई वांट टू शो यू, वन मोर ऑफ एग्जांपल ऑफ लाइनर स्केल. Here in this picture you can see the linear scale is given here. So this linear scale is showing you, here you can see the points and the graph this is like a bar graph, okay, scale bar. So this is also called bar scale, scale bar, graphical scale, okay. So by this you can understand better. So now we are coming to our next topic. Next topic we will start tomorrow. Today our topic today's topic scale is complete. So students, bye, see you again, goodbye and take care, stay home safe.